Owning a home should be one of life's greatest pleasures. But without a solid foundation, the house you once felt safe in can become a major source of stress. Signs of underlying damage like cracked drywall, sticking doors, water intrusion, and uneven floors can erode your peace of mind, turning your dream home into a worry-filled reality. Luckily, you're not alone. Our experts can identify the true cause of foundation problems and, more importantly, solve them. We'll guide you through every step of the way to restoring structural integrity and security to your investment. Your home is one of a kind, just like you. We tailor solutions specifically for your home and your wallet, including flexible payment options. With our team by your side, consider your home and your peace of mind secure.